Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legend. Today we are here in Botany Bay in Kent. I never done a drone fly here before, it's going to be interesting. So without further ado, let's take off. Straight down. Really nice place to drone. Right, without further ado, let's do the 64. It's a bit windy right now. Yeah, strong wind warning. It's not really windy in London. And when I came out here. Right, let's do this 360 here in Botany Bay. Right, without further ado, let's just explore. Let's go out to the sea a little bit. We're not going to go too far because it's actually windy. I don't want my drone to have trouble coming back from the ocean. So let's go a little bit towards the ocean a little bit. We shouldn't have any trouble coming back because the winds are easterly. Or is it westerly? So we're gonna go out to the sea a little bit. We're gonna go out to about 1,000 feet. We're not gonna go too far. We don't wanna look at that. So the drone's in the sea already. In the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. That's crazy, lads. My drone's in the ocean now. Right, let's turn back. We don't wanna go too far. We're gonna get footage what it looks like from here. Alright, strong wind warning. We are having a little bit we're not having that much trouble coming back actually. Look at that. Let's get views of the beach first. I'm gonna go down here. Actually, shall we go west first? Should we go east first? Let's go this side first, because we wanna come back in headwind. We wanna come back in tailwind. Look at that. Amazing place. Let's go a little bit lower and explore this building. Someone else has got a drone over there as well. Amazing. Let's get a shot of that other drone user. The drone's having a little bit of trouble coming back, but we're not that far out. Looks like an FPV drone, and there's many stinging nettles over here, so I gotta watch my step. I'm not sure if you can see it. Does it look like a stunt drone? Let's see who's using the drone. The drone's over here. Let's go straight down there now. We'll explore the main part. Look at that, amazing. That's the most busiest part of Botany Bay, which is the beginning. I want to go to these, whatever these things are called. Look at that, look how busy that is. That's really busy. So we're gonna stay high. This is the highlight of Botany Bay. Look at that. Look at those rocks. Let's all be hit. under 360. Let's see what's on this side. So there's a small little place over here, which doesn't look that busy, surprisingly. Let's go to this side. There's a boat over there, as you can see. Look at that amazing shot. Let's get a shot of that boat. Look at that. Look at that amazing shot. And get a shot of that boat over there on that side. Let's not go that far because right, let's come back now. Let's get a straight down shot. It's going down this part of Botany Bay. Look at that. Extremely busy. Let's go straight down. Get a straight down shot of the whole area, of the whole beach. Look at that. I just want to carry on getting this continuous shot. And yeah, we made it to the end. Amazing shot. Let's go to that side as well already. Look at that. Amazing shot. Wonder what's happening down here. Alright, let's head back now. We're gonna go down this way. Let's come a little bit closer. Let's go to the sea again. We're not gonna go that far into the sea. Just gonna go a little bit towards the sea. We have cleared in the sea. We're in the sea. Look at that shot. We're proper in the sea now. Look how far those wind farms are. That's extremely far away. But we don't go that far, obviously. Look at that. You know what? Let's get a sideways shot of Botany Bay. Let's check out this side as well. Look at that. That's amazing. We're proper in the sea. That is an amazing shot. Let's get a shot of that as well. Look at that. Alright, let's get the same shot but we're coming back. Look at that. Get a whole sideways shot of the beach. See, you can see the drone users over there. Other drone pilots. Looks like they've got a stunt drone or something. Let's see what's in the sea. Not gonna go too low, obviously. Just gonna stay here. That's exactly where I'm standing. And let's now explore this area now, the neighbourhood. Good to get that shot as well. I've got all my shots of Botany Bay. You can hear the wind. You can hear the drone whirring around because of the wind. Look at that. Let's get a shot of that as well. Let's see what's down there. To the neighbourhood. Really nice shot. Alright, let's come back now and land it. You know what? We've still got 90%. Let's go this way. Let's just explore this little area down there. Let's get a nice low down shot. Alright, let's start him back now. Sorry about the beeping noise. So you got a stunt drone right there, as you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna land, I've already landed it. I'm gonna end this video now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next video.